Charles, and this is my little girl, Helga. Yeah. Helga's 2 years old, and we bring her here every day. She's called the Yellow-naped Amazon, and she came from a bird farm in Ohio. She's a sweetheart. They fed her 4 times a day till she was 4 months old. And at 4 months old, she was full grown, and they shipped her out. $1,000 worth every cent. So they can live to be 75 to 100 years old. They talk, they sing, they laugh, they cough. They can curse if you teach them that. And we didn't teach her, but a couple of weeks ago, I'm sitting in the shop and all of a sudden, goddamn, goddamn. And I guess you heard Brad and I arguing because I swear we didn't teach it to her. But they're wonderful. And people come just to see Helga. We've been here for 9 years now. It's been wonderful. All over, everywhere. Some are made in the United States, some, I guess, are made in China. Different companies. And we sell, you know, city flags, we sell Saints flags, we sell LSU flags, we sell international flags, we sell birthday flags, we sell anniversary flags, summer flags, winter flags, Christmas flags, Halloween flags, fall flags, Thanksgiving flags. Flags for every occasion we have. And we have poles and brackets, we have wind spinners, we have wind socks, we have chimes. And with all of those items, I think we probably have the best selection in the city. We're here 7 days a week. We open at 11 in the morning. We're here until 5. Sundays, we open at 12 and we're here till 5. And we love our business. It's our life. It's been wonderful. It's different.
I lost all my money, it wasn't a lie. Many, many people like me in the streets, they got caught. Broke doesn't kill you, even if you think it will. You keep on spinning like an old windmill when the water is gone, gone. God will understand. You can fix your car or that old rusty faucet. You kick yourself every time you lost it. You apologize to the devil, sorry to man, but don't worry about God. He understands. Don't you worry about God. God will understand. He's got a lot on his plate. That's why he sent St. Peter down to watch the pearly gates. Every single moment might be Judgment Day.